What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Learn and Fun with Prince Aryan. So today the video is very special because box the brand new iPhone 16 Pro.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been itching. If I was you, I would cut off my wrist. I'm so tight all over her body. Oh, she just won't mind it.
So here is the phone guys. Now it is already been broken. Now we are going to just unbox it. So here it is, the OG phone. See how fantastic it looks. This is the brand new 3 cameras with a little bit dust on there, and this is the seal of this 16 Pro, and here we go. This is opening of the 16 Pro. Here we have this 16 Pro. Now this is the dynamic island and the face ID recognition thing. With we have the C type cable, which is already in the previous versions, and this is the 3 main cameras with this camera control button and the power button, and then we have this SIM tray tool and the volume up, volume down, and the new action button. That's it. Let me set it up and then let's get going. And here in the box we get this braided USB-C type cable with this SIM tray tool kit, and that's it, with maybe some paperworks. Paperworks with now dynamic island style, and then no stickers, with no Apple stickers, basically no Apple stickers. And then that's it with the box. That's it. This is the new 16 Pro.